Hey everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. I don't know what that was. Today I have a haul for you guys, but it's kind of an out of the ordinary kind of haul because it's not a clothing haul, it's not a makeup haul, it's not a skincare haul. It's a haul of many different things that have no particular category other than it was stuff that I needed to take back to Bahrain with me. If you guys didn't know, if you're new to this channel, firstly, hi, welcome, hope you decide to stick around. Secondly, you obviously wouldn't know that even though right now I am in the UK and that's where I'm from, I live for most of the year in Bahrain because that's where my job is. I'm a teacher. I don't know why I'm giving you my life story, but here it is. So the summer vacation is coming to an end. I'm going to be heading back there soon, and every time that I come home for a visit, I like to stock up on a range of different things that are either going to be a lot more expensive if I buy them in Bahrain, or that I just can't get a hold of when I'm there. It's just easier to like stockpile and take it all with me. By no means is this video a packing list or a list of things that you should take to Bahrain. If you guys would like that kind of video, I could throw that together, let me know. That's not what this is. You don't need any of these things to go to Bahrain. These are just things that I wanted to buy for myself to take with me. I only bought all of this stuff yesterday and I've already forgotten what it is that's in these bags. So let's dig into that. Let's get in because we got a lot of stuff. It's a lot. These are heavy. My shoulders are actually aching today from carrying these around. Like, it's a lot. Gotta have your canvas bags though, because it's good for the planet. And how cute is this one, by the way? Complete tangent. I got it in New Look a couple of weeks ago. It says keen to be green. It has a koala. I love it. Okay, let's go with this because this is big and it's calling to me. This is a life planner from WH Smith, and I got the exact same one last year. It's an academic year to year, so it starts in September, ends in September, which I'm a teacher, so that's how my life runs. It has everything I need, and you'll know me, I am like obsessive with organization and lists. If that is you, this is what you need in your life. It has a space for notes in there, like a little pocket, and then for each month you get a space for notes. Then you get the full month to view. Can you see that? I hope you can. And then you get like the days set out like this. So there is plenty of space for notes, and you get that for every month, September to September. At the back, there's more room for notes, there's a planner, there's like contact information, there's a plastic wallet. Just has everything I need to make my life run smoothly. But I love this thing. It's expensive. It's £20, which for a planner is a lot, in my opinion. But I did get a lot of good use out of the one last year, so hey, we're throwing caution to the wind. Speaking of expensive books full of paper, I also got a new journal from WH Smith. WH Smith makes such beautiful stationery, but it is pricey. This was no exception. This is a little A5 journal, and I think it's so adorable. It's got the little rose gold, and then, you know, inside there are pages as per journals. It was $9.99, which is a lot for a journal, but I stopped journaling pretty much purely because I didn't have a nice enough journal to write in. If I've got something pretty to write in, it inspires me. Okay, next I have my face sun cream, and I know that I bought two of these. I can't find the other one. I'm sure it'll turn up somewhere. But this is the number 7 Advanced Facial Sun Protection. I get mine in factor 50. I don't want my face to ever see the sun because the sun causes wrinkles and I'm not about that life. But I love this because it doesn't break me out, it doesn't make me greasy, it's not thick on the skin. It's just better, in my opinion, than using a regular like body sun cream. Just works for me. So I got two of these because they were on offer. They're usually £15, but it was 2 for £20, so bargain. Stock up. Although I don't know where the other one is. I stocked up on a few beauty items as well. So the first thing I picked up is the Boots Own Cucumber Micellar Water. Clean, fresh and fabulous. Let's hope so. Prepare for a tangent because that's where we're going. But I had a Say Yes to Cucumber micellar water that I got from Holland and Barrett. I loved it, and ever since I used it up, I just can't find it anywhere. I've gone to about 4 different Holland and Barrett stores. I don't know if they've discontinued it. I'm not sure. I can't find it. So the other day I got this Boots Own, the Boots Expert Skincare Sensitive Micellar Water, because I'm looking for something cruelty-free. I know the Boots Own is cruelty-free, but this I did not like at all. I think it broke me out. I can't be 100% sure it was this, but I think it was. We're gonna try a different Boots one, and that's why I got such a small size, just because I don't want to commit and then have the same problem and have to waste it. So we're gonna see how it goes. Let's hope. Oh, here is the other face sun cream I was looking for. I also picked up a new mascara, and I got the NYX Worth the Hype Waterproof Mascara. I'm gonna dig on into this so I can show you the brush. So I used to be super into those little skinny plastic brushes, like the Benefit They're Real, Maybelline Rocket Volume. Remember that? What a throwback. I used to be all about that. But that's not my life anymore. I've gone back to the like synthetic, hairy, thick brushes, and I don't know, this doesn't look quite like the Wet n Wild one that I loved, but it was the closest I could find. Oh, I got a bottle of Surgical Spirit because I have a few powder makeup products that have smashed, and the old Pinterest hack is if you mix it with a little bit of Surgical Spirit, then you can repair them. I'm gonna make a whole video about it. Wish me luck with that, because who knows. Then these are my mom's jeans, so I don't think you need to see those. Just picked up a couple of bobby pins. What is it with bobby pins? Where do they go? Oh, and then also from Wilkinson's. Okay, this has a story. Roll with me. I bought 1/2 meter of chain. So at work, I've noticed that people go in my desk drawer and use my stuff when I'm not in the room, which sometimes they're doing it like they just don't have the stuff they need. They happen to be in my room, they want to borrow it and put it back, and I have no issue with that at all. That's fine. Help yourself if you were going to put it back. But a lot of times, I don't know if people are doing it intentionally or if they are just like forgetting that it's my stuff and not their stuff and like putting it in their bags. I don't know how likely that is, but let's give them the benefit of the doubt. But I come back to my room and all my stuff is gone. So I'm gonna start locking it up. That's where I'm at right now. This is what it's come down to, the fact that I'm gonna chain up my stuff when I leave the room so that I know when I come back, everything will be there. I feel like that's too much, that I'm literally chaining my stuff down so people can't take it. Okay, then I just got a few things for school. I got some stickers and some red pens, you know, teacher essentials. Then from Holland and Barrett, I picked myself up a few snacks. And I do want to say, this is not where the snack shopping ends. I am going to go down to Morrison's and get a few more because I really want to pick up some vegan mayonnaise, like lots of it, lots. I want to get some of those Gray's snack boxes. I love the chocolate flapjacks. I could just eat them for days. Things like that, things that I can't really get in Bahrain, and I love to snack. So taking a big suitcase of snacks with me, I'm fine with that. So to start me off, I got a few things from Holland and Barrett's. These are the quinoa chips in the sour cream and chives flavor. They are vegan, certified by Celiac UK, gluten-free, like all that good stuff. They're so tasty. And I mean, they're quinoa. Quinoa's healthy. I also picked up two of these Vego, I don't know how you say this, the Almond Bliss white chocolate vegan chocolate bars. White chocolate is my favorite. I love these so stinking much. They taste just like real white chocolate with milk. They're amazing. Oh, I also got a new toothbrush from Holland and Barrett. It's an eco-friendly bamboo toothbrush that's biodegradable, 100% recyclable, and all of that stuff. Oh, we're down to the last couple of things. I could have sworn I bought more than this. Okay, I've got a few more beauty items here. These are just hair ties, because like the bobby pins, they disappear into the abyss. Then I have the Revolution Pro Pore Primer. I haven't tried this one before, but I'm willing to give it a go. I have really gotten on the Revolution bandwagon recently. So since I needed a new primer, I thought that I would give this one a go. I also picked up a heat protection spray. It's VO5. It's not cruelty free. I looked and looked and looked for a cruelty-free heat protection spray and I just couldn't find one. So it was a choice between getting this one and feeling kind of slimy about it or not getting one at all. I chose to feel slimy. I don't feel good. I almost forgot my bag of things from Lush. Let's talk about them. We don't need to say too much because these are old favourites that I repurchase over and over again. I got 2 Jason and the Argan Oil shampoo bars, my fave. I got a Sugar Daddy-O conditioning bar, but I also picked up the brand new American Cream conditioner bar. I'm super excited about this. This smells sublime, and even just holding it in my hands, I can feel how soft and nourishing it's going to be. I was considering getting 2 of these, but since it's a new product to me, I haven't tried it before. I didn't want to throw all my eggs in one basket, which is why I got 1 of each, because I know this one works for me, but I have such high hopes for this. Okay, so that was everything that I got to take back to Bahrain with me next week, other than, you know, the mountain of snacks I'm gonna get from Morrison's. I could have sworn I bought a lot more than this. I was out shopping for hours yesterday. It felt like a never-ending day of I must buy everything that exists, and yet now that it's here in front of me, it's really not that much stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed sharing this little random assortment of things haul with me. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do the things. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you guys so much. You are my oddballs. I love you and I really appreciate you. But until next time, I hope you are all having a beautiful day. I love you all so much, and I will see you soon.